In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk email on Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a professional-looking campaign and send it to the right audience with confidence. First, start on your Mailerlite dashboard. Look for the menu option labeled Campaigns and click on it. This is where all of your email campaigns are created and managed. Once you're on the Campaigns page, click the Create Campaign button. This will open up the setup flow where you'll configure all the important details for your bulk email. Next, you'll define your campaign details. Begin by entering a campaign name. This is just for you and your team to see internally, so choose something descriptive that will make it easy to find later, like a product launch or newsletter date. Your subscribers will not see this name. Then, write the subject line that your recipients will see in their inbox. Make it clear and relevant so people know exactly why they're receiving the email and feel encouraged to open it. Below that, confirm who the email is from. Check the sender name and email address and make sure they match your brand. It's best to use a professional email address at your own domain, such as a name@yourcompany.com, because this usually improves deliverability and builds trust with your audience. When everything looks good, click Continue to move on. Now it's time to design your email content. Mailerlite will ask you to choose how you want to build your email. Select a design option like the drag and drop editor if you want an easy, visual way to create your layout. Inside the editor, you can add text blocks, images, buttons, and other elements. Take a moment to structure your content clearly: a headline, main message, and a clear call to action. You can personalize your emails using merge fields, sometimes called variables. For example, you can insert a field for the subscriber's first name, so your email might start with a friendly greeting that feels personal. When you're happy with the design and content, click Done Editing to save your work. After that, you'll choose who should receive this bulk email. On the recipients page, you'll see your groups and, if you use them, your segments. Check the box next to each group that should receive the campaign. If there are groups you don't want to include, you can exclude them so they won't be contacted. This is helpful if you have specific lists for customers, leads, or internal contacts. When your selection is ready, click Continue. Finally, review and send or schedule your campaign. Mailerlite will show you a summary of everything: the subject line, sender information, content preview, and the groups you've selected. Take a moment to carefully double-check for typos, broken links, or the wrong audience. Before sending to everyone, you can send a test email to yourself. This is a good habit because it lets you see how the email looks in a real inbox and on mobile. You can also use the preview option inside Mailerlite to scan through the email quickly. When you're satisfied, you'll choose how to deliver the campaign. If you're ready for it to go out right away, select the option to send now and confirm. If you'd rather plan ahead, choose the schedule option, then set the exact date and time you want it sent. Depending on your plan, you may see helpful features like sending by time zone or smart sending, which aim to deliver emails at the best time for each subscriber. Once you're confident with your settings, click Send Now or Schedule. Mailerlite will take care of delivering your bulk email to all the recipients you selected, and your campaign is complete.